to Betty's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some stuffed chicken breasts. So let me just take the parchment paper off. Earlier this morning I just added some salt to the breast after I pounded it out and placed it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Let it rain, okay. Okay, then I'm going to flip them over and do the same thing. Stuck to the parchment paper. There you go. And I'm going to pound these out. I'll go ahead and add some pepper to this side. I'm going to add a little cumin on the inside of the chicken. Just a little bit, just a pinch of cumin. And a little onion powder, just on the inside of it. Basil. I'm going to add a little salt on the pepper. That's a serrano pepper, a piece with no seeds in it. This is some spinach I'm chopping up just for that stuffed chicken dish that we're doing. And I'm just going to heat it up just a little bit so it can break down even more, so I can put it inside the chicken. I'm going to add a little grapeseed oil in the skillet. That's about half a tablespoon. And a little sea salt and black pepper. Just a little. Just a little apple cider vinegar, about a half, well, a third. Okay, I have added a piece of cheese on the top of it. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and roll it up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and roll these up. Really tightly. And I'm going to add a toothpick in the back of them. I place them in the skillet so I can brown them on each side and then stick them in the oven. Half a stick of butter in the pan. So you see the butter's kind of browning, which is what it tastes like. After it becomes clarified, that butter is brownish like that. just took the chicken, stuffed chicken out of the oven. It cooked for 40 minutes. So it smells delicious, looks delicious. Now you see a little of the cheese on the skillet there, so you know it's warm inside and out. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, and comment on the video. Tell me what you think of the recipe